From Salesforce, you can generate documents with OpenText Extreme PowerDocs Web to send SMS notifications. Let's take a look at how this is done by using a locked case. Click Cases, open the case device malfunctioning. Click Extreme Web. PowerDocs opens. Select the template and click Create. To send the SMS to a specific phone number, click Email Configuration. Enter the mobile number with country code. Click OK. Open the Finish menu. Click the Post-Processing option Send as SMS. The document is post-processed. The SMS is sent. In your browser window, click Back. In Salesforce, the status of the case has changed to Closed. You have sent an SMS for a Salesforce case. Thank you for watching.